The easy way for online businesses to build a profitable funnel, with free tools. Hey, I'm Marie Grove, and today I'm going to show you the easiest funnel you can build as a new affiliate, using free tools. Here's the problem. Most beginners get stuck because funnel software is complicated, and the monthly fees are expensive when you haven't even made your first commission. But I'm sure you've heard how important building out a funnel and growing your email list is. The good news is that you don't need all that to get started. In fact, here's the simple funnel I recommend. Step 1. Create a landing page with a free tool. Your only goal here is to collect an email address. No fancy design, no endless options, just a headline, a quick benefit, an opt-in box, maybe a few bullet points. Step 2. Connect it to a free autoresponder. Now you can automatically send a short welcome sequence of emails. Don't overcomplicate it. 3 to 5 emails is enough to build trust and share your affiliate link naturally. Step 3. Deliver the free gift that you promised when they signed up. It could be a PDF guide, a checklist, or even an AI-powered GPT that solves a problem. This gives instant value and positions you as a helpful advisor. One simple funnel is just a landing page, email follow-up series, and your affiliate offer. And the best part? You can build this in under an hour without paying for expensive software. So if you're ready to start building your affiliate funnel today, I've got a free AI-powered starter system that walks you through building your funnel step by step. It's completely beginner-friendly. You can grab it by clicking the link in the description below this video. Marie Grove's Method. A smarter, faster way to build your online business using AI.